Welcome viewers to this quick and effective skincare routine video for busy women. Let's jump right into the essentials. Introduce a selection of essential skincare products: cleanser, exfoliator, moisturizer, eye cream, mask, and setting spray. Briefly describe the benefits of each product and why it's crucial for a quick routine. Highlight the versatility of the products for various skin types. Demonstrate the application of each product, focusing on quick and effective techniques. Provide tips on how to maximize the benefits of each product in a short amount of time. Keep the demonstration engaging and easy to follow. Share additional tips for adapting the routine to different skin concerns. Encourage viewers to personalize the routine based on their preferences and needs. Emphasize the importance of consistency for noticeable results. Summarize the key points of the 10-minute skincare routine. Express gratitude for watching and invite viewers to share their thoughts and experiences in the comments. Encourage viewers to subscribe for more quick and helpful skincare tips.